We were sent this ceiling light and my husband is going to install it, but I just want to show you what comes in the kit and what the light looks like. So it's really nice glass right there. And it's gonna look really good and kind of modernize our space. So we're super excited about that. And I like the simplicity of it, just the black and that kind of frosted milky glass together. So let's go and get this installed.
We have new light wired in here. Make sure that when you are doing any wiring stuff that you have the power turned off at the circuit breaker is best. So I took the old light off, connected the new one, white to white, black to black, ground to ground, real easy, real clear. Put everything in here, putting everything back up inside the electrical box. Gonna put the screws. One of the quirks here on this is that it comes with screws, and then there's the cutout here for the screw head to supposedly fit through there so that you can have the screw pre-installed and then just slide it on. Well, the screw head is bigger than what the carve out for the screw is. So that's just a quirk. So unfortunately, you can't have it to where the light will hang on there. You actually have to then go through and line it up after the fact. Not the end of the world, just why have the carve out there in the light if you're not gonna have a screw that is set for the correct size. Plus it just can make it a little bit more of a challenge to be able to get it to line up just right when you're going to install it. But otherwise, super easy install. All right, moment of truth here. Electrical's in there. I have the light in place. I haven't put the cover on yet because we're gonna show you some of the other features of this. Boom, all right, it works, yay! That means I did something right, good. Okay, the other nice thing about this is it has different color settings. That's one of the cool things about LED lighting is that you can actually color tune it, and a lot of the manufacturers have presets in here. So this one has presets, so you can go from warm light and you can start brightening it up. You can actually do a mix of the two. So this says it goes from 2700 Kelvin to 3000 Kelvin to 4000 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin and then 6000 Kelvin. So you have lots of fun options here to be able to help put this together, depending on the type of lighting and the mood that you're looking for. And you can also remove the bezel at any time and then change it. So really cool features that you can go through and do that. I really like daylight, which is about 5,000. So I'm gonna tune it to 5,000. We'll get the cover bezel put on here and it'll be done.
All done, yay. It wasn't too hard of an install for my husband, which was really nice, went quickly. I love how it looks, and then this is what it looks like when it's off. I just think it gives a nice modern vibe to our house, which is what we were going for. So I really like it, and I think you're gonna like it as well.